So the stretcher bars are the bars on the outer edges and the brace bars are the inner bars. Now we are going to discuss how to install the brace bars. Depending on if we are stretching a lightweight giclée or a canvas that will have a lot of heavy texture, we predetermine what type of stretcher bars we are going to use and how many brace bars it is going to need. The number of brace bars is also dependent on the size and strength of the stretcher bars. For example, we are going to assume we are stretching a lightweight giclée over this type of stretcher bar, which is a medium-duty size pine. So this is the schematics for this scenario. The two main widths that we print giclées in is 40 inches wide and 50 to 56 inches wide. If we print it 40 inches wide and it's up to 71 inches long, we will use one short bar. If it's 40 inches wide and 72 inches or greater, we will use two short bars. If it's 50 to 56 inches wide and up to 83 inches long, we will use one short bar and one long double bar. If it's 50 to 56 inches wide and 84 inches or greater long, we will use two short bars and one long triple bar. Okay, so we have 93.6 centimeters on this side and 93.4 centimeters on this side. 93.6, 93.4, which means we need to cut the bars at 93.5. Cut the brace bar to this measurement. Try to make sure that the brace bar will be at least 3/8 of an inch away from the print. We generally use 1x2 pine for the brace bars. You may need something different if you have a thinner profile stretcher bar. I find it easier to use a metric tape measure for this step. Try to make sure your tape measure does not angle down. Another trick you can do when cutting this bar is to set the bar inside this area of the frame so it rides up on the lip, and mark where the inside of the frame is here to the brace bar. Then repeat this on this side. And cut directly in between these two lines right here. Next, we're going to find the center of this bar. So we're going to say that this is 135.4. So 135.4. So we're going to divide that into 2, which is 67.7. So at that, we're going to mark 67.7 for the center of the bar on this side. So we're going to repeat the process on the other side. Shim the brace bar up to the same level as the stretcher bar frame. Use L brackets at a diagonal to attach the brace bar to the frame. If the stretcher bar frame requires two short bars, then divide the area into 3 and install an additional short bar. If the print is big and the stretcher frame requires a short bar and a long double bar, then install the short bar as already described. Mark the center with pencil on the stretcher frame and on the already installed brace bar. Put a straight edge on the inside corner to inside corner and measure from the straight edge to the attached short bar at the pencil marks. Cut and install the brace bar. Repeat for the other side. If the print is 50 to 56 inches wide and 84 inches or greater long, then install the two short bars as already described. Then mark the center of the two short brace bars and measure between them at the pencil marks and cut and install. Sometimes I like to screw in the L brackets to the brace bars before I attach them to the main frame. After attaching the center, attach the two sides as previously described.